Hi, my name is Nirav Patel and I am a product manager at HARTING USA. Today I want to talk about HARTING's latest product line, the HANS. It is a 200 amp single pole connector designed for energy storage solutions. So we have an example here for you today. As you can see inside, there's a single pole contact that carries 200 amps, as well as this visible locking lever. The contact itself is finger protected for human safety. One of the key benefits of the HANS is the ability to install in the front of the rack, opposed to legacy solutions, which was in the back of the rack installations using docking frames. Now, to go into more detail, let's look at the exploded view. You can see the single pole contact right over here, as well as the finger protection and special keying that we have designed into the HANS. It allows easy installation into the battery system, as well as that visible locking lever that I showed you earlier. It can carry 200 amps and up to 1500 volts on a 50 square millimeter wire. It also is rated for UL certification adhering to the energy market and can be easily scaled up into battery racks from using the front of the rack installation. So that is our HANS product line. For further information, please visit our HARTING website.